Welcome back to my channel. Today I will explain here redox reaction. It is not only important for 11th science student but also for all science student. Redox reaction, redox means reduction and oxidation. First of all, I will explain here what is the oxidation, then what is the reduction. The different definitions of oxidations and reduction. First, addition of oxygen. Means oxidation means addition of oxygen. For example, carbon plus oxygen means carbon reacts with oxygen, formation of CO2 means this is the oxidation reaction. Then magnesium reacts with oxygen, formation of magnesium oxide. This is also oxidation reaction means addition of oxygen. It is oxidation reaction. Then second definition of oxidation, addition of electronegative element. Electronegative elements, for example, halogen elements, then oxygen families elements, addition of electronegative elements. Magnesium reacts with fluorine, formation of magnesium difluoride in solid state. Means it's a electronegative element. It is also, sulfur is also electronegative element, means addition of electronegative element. It is also oxidation reaction. Then next, removal of hydrogen. Third definition of oxygen is removal of hydrogen. In that, H2S plus O2, formation of sulfur in solid state plus water. Means removal of hydrogen. Hydrogen is removed from sulfur, means H2S, formation of only sulfur, then byproduct is water, means removal of hydrogen. It is also oxidation reaction. Then next reaction is removal of electropositive element. In mercury chloride, it is electropositive and it is electronegative. Removal of electropositive element means Hg removed from one Hg is removed from Hg2Cl2 molecule, means HgCl2 H2S, means removal of electropositive element. It is also oxidation reaction. It is also definition of oxidation reaction. Then next definition, loss of electron by any species. Magnesium reacts with water, gives magnesium 2 plus, Mg2 plus plus O2 2 minus, means removal of loss of electrons, loss of electron from magnesium, loss of electron from magnesium, 2 electron losses and formation of Mg2 plus ions, means loss of electron. It is also oxidation reaction. Then the next, reduction. Different definitions of reduction reactions. First, removal of oxygen. Removal of oxygen, Fe2O3 plus carbon gives Fe, means removal of oxygen from this molecule gives iron in solid state. Byproduct CO2, means removal of oxygen. It is also reduction reaction. Then second, removal of electronegative element. FeCl3 ferric chloride reacts with hydrogen, formation of FeCl2. Here FeCl3, here Cl2, means one chlorine atom is removed from FeCl3, formation of ferrous chloride, means removal of electronegative element. It's a reduction reaction. Then addition of hydrogen, means reduction reaction. Double carbon-carbon double bond is converted into carbon-carbon single bond. It is reduction reaction. Then next, addition of electropositive element. HgCl2 SnCl2, Hg2Cl2. Here is HgCl2, only one atom. Addition of one atom means addition of electropositive element. It is reduction reaction. Then next, gain of electron. In oxidation, loss of electron. In reduction, gain of electron, means Mg. Same reaction, but oxidation of Mg takes place and reduction of O2 gases takes place, means loss of two electrons by Mg, formation of Mg2 plus, means it's a oxidation reaction, and gain of 2 electrons, means O2 is converted into O2 2 minus, means it's a reduction reaction, gain of 2 electrons. Then oxidants and oxidizing agent. Different definitions of oxidant and oxidizing agent. Oxidant or oxidizing agent means a reagent or a substance which itself undergoes reduction or causes oxidation of another species. Means oxidizing agent means oxidizes other species. It is called as oxidizing agent. Here Mg plus F2. F2 is oxidizing agent. It oxidizes Mg. Mg in solid state converted into MgF2, means it is oxidizing agent. It is also oxidizing agent, means simple definition of oxidizing agent means, or oxidant means, it oxidizes other or reduces itself. It is oxidizing agent. Then next definition, reductant or reducing agent. It is opposite to oxidant or oxidizing agent. Reductant means or reducing agent means a reagent reducing agent. It is defined as a substance or a reagent which itself undergoes oxidation. Means it itself undergoes oxidation and bringing about reduction of another species. Means reducing agent means reduces another species. Simple definition. Reducing agent means reduces another species. Reduces another species. And oxidation means, simple definition of oxidation means is oxidizes other species. It oxidizes other species, or reducing agent means it reduces another species and oxidize itself. See the example for reducing agent. Then redox reactions in terms of oxidation number. Redox reaction in terms of oxidation number mean different definition of oxidations and reduction by oxidation number. An increase in oxidation number of element in given substance, means oxidation means redox reaction in terms of oxidation or oxidation number, means the definition of oxidation and reduction by oxidation number. An increase in oxidation number of element in a given species means, for example, Mg. The oxidation number of Mg here is 0. Here oxidation number of Mg is 0. Mg is converted into Mg2 plus, means oxidation number increases, means the oxidation takes place here. An increase in oxidation number means 0 to plus 2. An increase in oxidation number of element in a given substance means it's a oxidation. Then reduction means gain of electrons. And decrease in oxidation number of element in a given species means oxidation number decreases, means Mg2 plus is converted into Mg, means here oxidation number of Mg is 0. Oxidation number of Mg plus 2 means decrease in oxidation number. Same example, decrease in oxidation number of element in a given substance, it's a reduction. Then next, oxidizing agent and reducing agent. Substance which increases oxidation number of element in a given substance and itself undergoes decrease in oxidation number of constituent element. Means oxidizing agent means oxidizes other substance which increase in oxidation means oxidizes other substance, an element in a given substance and itself undergoes a decrease. Why decrease? Because reduction takes place. self-reduction takes place or oxidizes other substance. Therefore, substance which increase in oxidation number of an element in a given substance and itself undergo decrease in oxidation. Very simple definition. And first, you should understand the oxidation and reduction by oxidation number method. These two definitions are very important and simple. Then next, opposite to oxidizing agent, reducing agent, substance that decrease in oxidation number of an element in a given substance and itself undergo increase in oxidation number, opposite to reducing agent. These are the definitions of oxidation and reduction. This definition or redox reaction are very important for all science student from 11 to MSc chemistry student.